Hi everyone. Just wanted to show you guys a PowerPoint that I made. This will help with the students that are coming back to school in person, give you a little bit more information about the program and our new classroom. And then also for those of you that are staying virtual, you'll get to see a sneak peek of our classroom and some things that we will be doing throughout the school year. So welcome to Cbvi. Cbvi stands for Community-Based Vocational Instruction, and this is a class where we're going to teach you guys some job skills and things that will help you get a job in the future. Again, as far as the teacher and job coaches, I'm Mrs. Oliver, so I'm the transition specialist for the district, also the Cbvi teacher. And then our awesome job coaches are Miss Smith, Mrs. Baez, and Mrs. Curry. And the goal for the Cbvi class is to master vocational skills that are required for successful employment in the community. So that's our main goal for this class. The goal is also written in your ARD paperwork. So that's what we work on all year long. Our class is now in room A230. This is the room where Panther Emporium is housed. And daily procedures. So when you walk into the classroom door, there will be staff there to take your temperature, and we will give you some hand sanitizer. Please remember, everyone is required to wear masks. So those will be our safety protocols that we will do every day and every period. When you come into class, you'll have a spiral notebook and a supply cup at your seat. We will do a bell ringer activity each day, and this will be written in your spiral notebook. We'll discuss the topic of the day, and then we'll move on to our workstations. So this is an example of what your supply cups look like. They have your names on them, and each of them will have a pencil, a pen, and a staple remover in it for when you guys are working on sorting and shredding. Speaking of sorting and shredding, these are our boxes that we have made for this year. Usually we always start with sorting the paperwork, because as we do shredding for the district, they may have paperwork with post-it notes on it and staples, paper clips. So the sorting activity is very important because we have to make sure all of those things are taken out so that they don't ruin the commercial shredder. So you can't have a paper clip or staples going in there because it will break our machines. And then we recheck it a second time just to make sure. So that's the number 2 recheck box. The number 3 box is called special, and that's for the special papers that may be too thick to put through the shredder, like cardstock or cardboard. Glossy type paper sometimes doesn't go through there very well. And then number 4, the green box is done. Everything's sorted and ready to be put into the shredder. And then over here, these are our 2 shredders that we work with. Another workstation is the stocking practice. So these peg boards are on the wall, and we'll give you something that looks like this. And this is how we want things to be stocked on the pegboards. And we'll give you each of the items, and you will make sure that it looks that way. It looks like kind of when you go to a grocery store and at the checkout counter, they have like some things for sale or some snacks and stuff for people to look at as they're checking out. So we want to make sure that you guys get the practice of knowing how to stock an end cap or an aisle like that. With Panther Emporium, we have a clothing closet, and so we have lots of clothes that are donated, and we need to make sure that they're all put on hangers and look nice, and also labeled as far as what size they are. So we have different colored labels for small, medium, large, and extra large, so you guys will be getting some practice on that. And then every Thursday, we will make cuisine kits that will be handed out to students and families in need. Each cuisine kit will have some type of frozen meat, a canned good, and some other non-perishable items. This picture is of a class a few years ago as they were working on making the cuisine kits. And then also on Thursday, We will also deliver these cuisine kits to classrooms throughout the school for the students so that they can take them home to their families. The clothing closet is another area in our classroom where all the donated clothing is. So students who might need something can go to the clothing closet, and it's our job to make sure that the clothing closet looks very nice and tidy and that everything is labeled appropriately. We will also stock the Panther Necessities cabinet with toiletries, hygiene products, and school supplies. So this is another little workstation that we'll be using. And we will clean our own area and supplies at the end of each class. So we have some cleaning wipes and hand sanitizer. So we will make sure that all of our areas are cleaned off for the next group or for the next day. This is a sneak peek of our new space. So this is the front of the classroom. And we've got all your cups there lined up on the whiteboard, and we've got some nice colorful border going on. We're really excited about having a classroom and a bigger space this year. Here's a copy of the bell schedule, just in case you need to have that to refer to. And you guys are going to have a lunch. I've also been informed that you could possibly even be eating your lunch a little bit earlier than a lunch, like maybe during your Panther time period. They may let you guys go down there a little bit earlier before a lunch starts. So just wanted you to have that information. I would check with whoever your Panther time teacher is to get the schedule for sure, but that's what I've been told, that you possibly will for sure have a lunch, if not a little bit before that. Another really cool thing that we're going to have this year is we're going to have the WOW Award each week, which is WOW stands for Worker of the Week. And we're going to display your picture in the classroom. So we want to make sure everyone does a really good job, and that we show off our students and how awesome you guys are, and let you know how much we appreciate you and what a hard worker you are. And I just wanted to let everyone know, I know that this year is kind of uncertain, and whether you are with us in person or whether you are at home virtually, we are going to have a great year regardless. We are here to teach you some awesome skills that you're going to use for the rest of your life. We're here because we care about you, and we want to make sure that everyone is doing okay, whether they're at school or at home. So please know that we care about you. We love you guys, and we look forward to having our in-person people next week. And our virtual people, we will continue to, do some awesome assignments that we all will need to be able to have a good job one day and good communication skills. Also, hopefully we can start maybe once a week having a Zoom lesson where we can see each other and talk face to face. So I will keep you posted on all of those things. Parents and students, if there's anything that you need, please reach out to me. And we will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.